How to block account on Reddit. Hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to block account on Reddit. So let's go to Reddit. The first thing here is the post. Now let's say I want to block this contact or this account. You should click on the three dots here in the corner, and now you have the option of block account. Let's click on it and click in the block and confirm it. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. I hope it was helpful for you, and thank you for watching till the end. Thank you so much.